as Leon Bailey is through. Is this his third for Villa?
Big go Leon Bailey, big up yourself, my baller. People, me and Leon Bailey are brother. Yo, me and the man that... Yo, big man, stop questioning me now, man. What you mean by me and the man and a brother? Me never say me and my brother. Me say we grow like we are brother. But the man is actually my cousin. Stop questioning. So let you tell me for. Yo, let me tell you this. Listen to the facts. You see Leon Bailey, mother. You see my mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, cousin, must call Leon mother, niece. So Leon Bailey now is like my 10th or 11th cousin. If me not him and me 11 cousins. So stop question me. Yo, move out of my video, man. Yeah, people, me and Leon Bailey, we got school together, people. You see me and him, you see how Leon Bailey now on the lunch money, people. Yo, me buy a patty, and me broke a patty in half and go say, yeah, Leon Bailey whole half. And me take half. You see what that time when me and him play a Garden Town, all age high school in the 80s? Yeah, question me again. Where me? You said never born in the 80s? Brethren, me have to repeat because me never pass the maths, English, the science, and the business subject them. Me have to repeat. Yeah, me repeat like 14 times. Yeah, so him come catch me up. Yo, me and the man used to go to school. Stop questioning me, man. Sure. Yeah, people. You see when they were that ball field, I Bailey we used to call. You see when that ball field, people, and me see Leon Bailey use the right foot. Me say, Bailey, try the left foot. People, and you see when Bailey goes so rook up with the left foot, then they tear up. Me say, Bailey, that left foot there go carry you go far places and see it there. The man the English Premier League has done the place. Bailey, big up yourself. You see when you come back, I'll be here flossing. Bro God, nah, lock down the place. Come here, bro God, on speed dial. Big up yourself, Bailey. Big up yourself. Big baller. Big up yourself.